Pappukoora. Hello friends, some of you reminded me to make a video with a leafy greens dish. Here's a wonderful recipe that you would all fall in love with. I'm sure many of you would have eaten some version of this in your grandma's house and forgotten about it. Let's rebuild our forgotten relationship with nature by aligning our food habits with science-backed natural plant-based food. Here's a recipe bringing the flavors of India together with both taste and health. This recipe would make even picky eaters love it. This very healthy dish is more popular among Telugu people and is called Pappukoora in Telugu. Yes, as the name suggests, it is made of both poppu and koora. Poppu means pulses and koora also means leafy vegetables. Let's get to the recipe. Here you see I've taken 3 kinds of dicotyledons, namely Toor dal, masoori dal and whole moong. Usually people use only Toor dal for this, but I'm taking 2 more kinds in equal quantities to avail of multiple health benefits from these protein-rich pulses. Here you see nicely cut fresh greens containing spinach, fenugreek and amaranth leaves. Isn't it a delight to see all these leafy greens? The reddish leaves we see here are from Amaranth variety with rich nutrients and antioxidants. To this I'm going to add 1 onion and 1 carrot, 1 Mysuru brinjal and 2 green chillies. After rinsing the pulses, I've added all of these to a stainless steel utensil with 2 cups of water and steam cook these on low heat. Cooking on low or medium flame helps in the retention of both nutrients and flavors according to nutrition experts. Once steam cooked, we have added a little bit of pink salt and now let's add 1 spoon of rock salt. Then our multipower masala powder, mixing it at regular intervals to avoid lumps. This is all being done on a low flame. TurBerry mixture, the link for multipower masala powder and TurBerry mixture will be provided in the description below. Our seasoning, mustard seasoning, keep mixing at regular intervals. Some mango, you can use tamarind or mango or even grated mango. I am using the pieces here. This is to give that tangy flavor. You can just close the utensil and allow it to boil. Make sure that it's at a low flame. Once it's boiled, you can see that the pappukoora is ready. You can have it with rice or idli or pulka. Another way to have this pappukoora is in a puree form. You can just wait until it's cooled and then grind it in a mixer to make it into a puree. You can have that also with idli. There are 2 varieties that can be done with this same recipe. You can have it with idli or rice or dosa or pulka or chapati, anything. Either the pappukoora version or the puree version. As you might have noticed, I keep many ingredients that nature cure specialists suggest ready in my refrigerator. This helps me tremendously in my everyday life despite having a busy schedule. The links to all of these items can be found in the description. I hope you like this video and I hope you do maintain health using all the health tips that have been included in this video and in our other videos as well. If you do like this video, please click the like button and share it with anyone you feel will find this helpful for their daily diet as well. Your subscription is an encouragement to our team and you can click the notification bell icon to be notified of when we do upload new videos. Until next time, bye-bye.